Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to use your existing Guild Wars 2 account on Steam. First, open your Steam app. Next, log into your account using your username and password. Click Library in the top menu bar to view your list of games. Find Guild Wars 2, right-click on it, and select Properties. In the Properties window, look for the Launch Options field. Type the following command exactly, -provider portal. This ensures the game launches using your existing Guild Wars 2 account. Close the Properties window to save your changes. Click Play on Guild Wars 2 in your library. The game will now launch and connect to your existing account. And that is it. You have just linked your Guild Wars 2 account with Steam. Enjoy your adventure and happy gaming. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next video.